So guys, this is another modified Anika townhouse and meron na tong balcony. So mamaya feature natin yan. Pasukin na natin yung kanilang bahay. Tara! So, ito yung pinaka-single door gate nila and then yun namang kabila is yung para dun sa sasakyan. So, sa entrance pa lang, ang pinaka-prominent na dito guys, meron silang spiral staircase.
Wow!
So, yung kanila namang flooring is made of pebbles and grains. So, ang una nating papasukan is yung kanilang magandang living room at saka kakaibang taste dun sa kanilang kitchen. Tara! Yan. So, dito, exterior-wise, makikita nyo guys, yung ating client, pinabago na nila yung grills nung kanilang window. So, yan. Modernized na. Yung kanilang door, naka-smart lock na sila. Hindi ko lang siya pwedeng isara kasi baka masarahan tayo. So, yan. Diba? Winner. So, pasok na tayo guys. So, for the sala, dito pa lang meron na silang L-shape na sofa. Guys, sabi nila kung gusto nyo daw magmukhang malaki yung bahay nyo, ang perfect na accessories na pwede natin ilagay is mirrors. So, dito yan, napakaganda nung kanilang mirrors na in-install dito sa sala. And then, punta tayo dun sa first bedroom. So, ito yung isang bedroom sa baba. So, ito very simple. I think this is more of siguro guest room. Meron sila dito on the side na sofa bed na ready na gamitin. And then, other accessories for this room. So, very simple lang naman to. Yan. And then, yung first bathroom for Anika Townhouse. So, yan. Wala naman din ginawang changes. So, as it is lang siya. Okay, and then balikan lang natin yung sala kasi ang ganda guys nung pagka-drop ceiling niya. So yan yung napili nilang ilaw and then ayun nga may drop ceiling and cove lights. Yung kanilang service area, like what I mentioned, kakaiba yung taste ng ating client dito. So first things first, meron silang breakfast nook. Okay, dito tayo. So, ito yung ginawa nilang breakfast nook. So, dito naglagay sila ng simpleng stovetop 2-burner para at least kung may mga gusto silang ilutong breakfast na mabilisan lang, pwede nandito instead of dun sa kanilang main range hood. So, yeah. Then, yung kanilang tayo dito, service area, yun, they converted it to kitchen extension. So, puntahan naman natin yung kitchen extension. Ito na yung ginawa nilang kitchen extension. Actually, it's from here. Yan, up to here. Malaki yan, guys. It's around parang 5 meters din. And then, ito yung, grabe, ang laki ng ref ng client natin, nakakatuwa. Tapos, pagpasok dito, so, ito yung pinaka-sink. Tapos, again, meron tayong mga cabinets, shelves. And then, you have yung range hood dito. Dito, guys, around this area, actually, this is already converted to yung polycarbonate na open lang yung window. So, pwede nyo siyang i-open. Pwede i-close kung umuulan. Pero the reason why they made it polycarbonate is para may natural sunlight kapag umaga. Wow! So, done na tayo dun sa kitchen extension. And then, what they made na pinaka-dining area naman nila is this pod. So, ito yung pinaka-lights for their dining area. Ayan, they have a table for 4 dito and then 4 chairs. So, para naman dun sa ginawa nila client under the stairs, they use it as shelves. So, at least meron silang organizer or anything for storage para sa mga little things na at least hindi nasa labas or hindi nakakalat para yung bahay natin mas magmukhang neat and clean. Ayan. So, tara, akitin na natin yung kanilang second bedroom tsaka masters and yung second CR. So, dito naman tayo sa stairs, guys. So, dito, wood accent pa din. And then, as is tayo dun sa staircase, sa stair railings. Pero maganda yung wood accent tsaka stopper nila. Yan. And then, pasukin natin yung second and third bedroom. Yan. So, pasukin natin yung kanilang second bathroom. So, dito sa bathroom, guys, actually, very simple pa din naman yung kanilang pinaayos. As is, yung pinaka-toilet and bath are turnover. Pero, naglagay na sila ng shower partition. So, ayan. So, at least, diba, hindi tatalsik-talsik yung tubig, palabas. So, very neat. I think very neat yung ating client dito sa bahay na to. Pasukin naman natin ngayon yung kanilang second bedroom. Yan. So, ito yung second bedroom. So, they have a single bed, I think, for a kid. Tapos, ito yung magiging study table and wardrobe. And then, yung kanilang cabinet, instead of the usual, yung binubukas palabas, they had it sliding. Sliding siya para at least in terms of space, mas nakaka-minimize siya ng gagamit. Let's go dun sa masters. This is the master's bedroom. Ayan. So, ito yung master's bedroom and they have the same content dun sa kabila. So, dito naman, this is I think siguro queen or king size bed. And then, same goes dun sa wardrobe nila. Sliding yung mga pinto. Doon sa kanilang may bandang headboard, meron pa din siyang little shelves. So, alam nyo naman pag matutulog tayo, minsan yung mga cellphone or little things na kailangan katabi natin. So, at least dun sa part na yun, nung headboard, may lalapagan. Dito tayo ngayon sa balcony na pina-extend ng ating client. So, as you can see guys, ito yung kanyang balcony. May maayos na to na setback from the original start nung lote niya. And then, as usual, meron siyang table and chair. So, like, kagaya ngayon guys, gabi na, mahangin. So, masarap nang tumambay dito and feel the breeze of Lancaster, New City. Ayun guys, so done na tayo dun sa ating vlog for today. And for the contractor reveal, it's actually 4MS Home Builders. So ito yung kanilang Facebook page guys. Feel free to like and subscribe dun sa kanilang page. And if you guys want to know more about dun sa ating projects na ino-offer with ProFriends, so we have Lancaster New City, Minami Residences, and pinakabagong Westwind Condominium, please feel free to send me a message and I'll be helpful dun sa inyong mga inquiries. Again, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe sa aking page. And thank you guys for watching!